Okay, so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of adding in a file that has a translucent background and how to change the color of the background once you've added it. In this dress, I'm going to come over. You'll see each section is divided by the part of the garment. So I'm going to start with the main dress, and I'm going to select the layer that says Add Fabric. And then I'm going to come and grab my file, and I'm going to copy it. Oops, grabbed the wrong thing there. Keeps going there. There we go. And tile it. So you'll see in here, it already has a white background. So if you didn't want it to have that, you could turn it off. But if you're wanting a white background, you just can keep that on and make sure that your files, the seamless files, are above it in the layers so that those show on top and this shows at the bottom. If you want to add a different color underneath, there's a couple ways you could do it. You could turn this off. And then you would add, let me save that and I'll show you what that would look like. So if you do that, then you can add a solid color down here and that will show through underneath. So say, okay, I want that purple. Or you can do white. And if you do that here, it's not going to be a super white. It's going to be kind of what it's going to be showing the garments kind of shadows and things. Okay, save that. So the other way to do it is to go back into here. I'll turn that white back on and then I'll show you. So now, since it's white in this layer, it's covering up that color. So, but if you can also change the color here by adding a solid color. Let's do blue. Mommy. Okay, so that's the way you can add the color here, and you would just save, and then that would be. So if I'm going to turn that off real quick. So you said that you were wanting a white. So I'm guessing maybe the color of the mock-up underneath the white that's showing, you maybe want that lighter. So if that's the case, you can do a couple of things. You can go into the inner shadows layer and reduce that down. So then you have like a whiter white. And if that's not what you're looking for, then you can also make adjustments to the base photo. And so that would be, I went into properties and the hue saturation, and you can make it lighter if you want to. So that's a couple of different ways to play around with it. Let me know if that helps or not, and if there's any other questions that I can answer.